What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got the exhaust looking really nice on this side. I'm pretty pumped about that. That's all done now. Let's head over to the other side and start on that one. Alright, so we got this exhaust side part looking great now. Looks way better than it did before, so that is all good. Alright, and just like that, we got this side all buttoned up. Same with the back side as well. I did spray a little bit of cleaner on the rims and it really shined up pretty effortlessly. So I'm definitely going to get this stuff off at least and do that. And then maybe I'll polish them, but let's at least get it clean and then see how it comes out. Wow, so those shined up pretty easily. Actually very easy, surprisingly. They've definitely been either chromed or polished, and just like that, wow, what a difference. Crazy. So now I have to do the back wheel. There's nothing I can do about it. Now I have to do the back one to match. I should really do the spokes. It looks like there was some like paint or something weird on here. Somebody was using something when they were around this bike, and or somehow something got on it, but the rim's looking really great shape now, and that was with no polish either. So all right, now I gotta do the back rim because I can't do the front without doing the back. So all right, and just like that, we are all done. So for now, I'm gonna call this build complete. Let's go get this cold start going. We're gonna bring this thing out to the sun and show you the finished product. I'm super excited to see how it really looks in the sun. Should look really good. So let's get that cold start going now. All right guys, so this is how the project came complete. Pretty happy with how it came out. I could definitely polish up the rims a little bit more, but I'm just gonna leave them for now just because from where it started, this has come such a long way and I'm super happy with it. So now I'm actually gonna enjoy the bike instead of working on it for such a long time. You know, the season's starting to actually come to an end or starting to get shorter. So I want to spend some time in this machine, actually put some miles on it and enjoy it for a little bit. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Huge shout out to everybody that's been watching these videos and staying subscribed to the channel. I highly appreciate it. And make sure you guys keep watching because I'm going to be doing a lot of other stuff on other bikes. So as always, guys, I thank you for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video.